Hello friends, welcome to Krishna tutorial. Friends, in this video we are going to tally March 2020 Science 2 question papers. You can see this one is March 2020's question paper and it is from Science 2. So let's see, this is the first page of that paper and you can see a small note. It is given here, there are total 6 points and you have to remember these points while solving the paper. So let's see the first question, and the first question is question number 1A, which is the optional question. You can see here, choose the correct option and write its number for the following question. So you know friends, you have to select the correct option, and while selecting the option you have to write the answer along with that option. Let's see the second one. So friends, this one is the second optional question from question number 1A, and let's see the third one. So in complete combustion of fuels leads to formation of, and finally the fourth one, the spindle fibers start appearing from dash stage of karyokinesis, and these are the four options. Now let's see the fifth optional question. So friends, this one is the fifth optional question from question 1A, and the question is salts which can be used as supplement of calcium and iron are obtained from dash. And finally question number 1B. So solve the following questions and you are going to get 5 marks on this. So first one is find odd one out, then second one is write the correlation, then third one is state whether true or false, fourth one is write function of testis, which is a male reproductive organ, and then the fifth one is I am connecting links between reptilia and mammals, what is my name. Let's see the next one. So friends, this one is question number 2A, and the question is give scientific reason, and you have to attempt any 2 questions and you are going to get total 4 marks. So there are 3 questions and you have to attempt any 2, and remember this, while writing scientific reasons you have to write at least 4 points. So let's see the questions. First one is Indians should follow family planning for controlling the population. Second one is we feel exhausted after exercising, and third one is hydroelectric energy, solar energy and wind energy are called renewable energies. Now let's say question number 2B, and the question is solve the following questions any 3 and total marks are 6. Means each question will carry 2 marks and there are total 5 marks. So you have to attempt any 3 of them. So the first one is complete the following chart. You can see this, and the chart is about effect of radioactive pollution, and the second one is distinguish between aves and mammalia. Now let's see the third one. So friend, this is your third question from question 2B, and the question is by observing given picture write any 2 effects of this disaster, and the picture is about the collision of 2 trains. You can see that, and you have to write any 2 effects. After that the fourth one is explain 4 ways to minimize stress. So you have to write any 4 ways to minimize stress, and after that there is a fifth question complete the following conceptual picture, and it is about microbes. Then you have to fill these boxes. After that let's see the next question. So friends, this one is question number 3. Solve the following questions any 5 and total marks are 15. So friends, there are total 8 questions. Out of that you have to attempt any 5. Okay? And each question will carry 3 marks. So the first one is explain the importance of anatomical evidences with examples. Then second one is what will you do and why. First one is child of your neighbor is addicted to tobacco chewing. Second one is your friend has developed the hobby of snapping selfies, and third one is your sister has become incommunicative, she prefers to remain alone. So you have to answer them and you have to state the reason also. Then third one is which precautions are necessary for proper decomposition of domestic waste, and the fourth one is observe the following diagram and write the answers of the following questions. So friends, this one is a figure for the cockroach, and see there are 3 sub questions, you have to answer them. The first one is to which phylum does the animal included in the diagram belong. The second one is what is the exoskeleton made up of, and the third one is what is the symmetry. Now let's see the fifth one. So friends, this one is the fifth one, and the question is explain the following concepts in short. So see there are 3 concepts: surrogacy, then in vitro fertilization, that is IVF, and sperm bank. So you have to write a short note on these 3 topics. And finally the sixth one is label the body organization of human has been shown in the following figure. So you have to label the following parts, and see these are the parts which are labeled. You can see this, and you have to label them in these boxes. So let's see the next question. And one more thing friends, while labeling this figure you have to draw this figure and then you have to label. So remember this. Now let's see the next one. So friends, this one is question number 7, and the question is make a table based on forms of energy and corresponding devices. So see, you can see this table, there are 2 different columns. In the first column you have to write forms of energy, and in the second column you have to write the name of the devices which works on such type of energy. Then after that there is question number 8, and the question is complete the paragraph using proper words. So see, this is your paragraph and you have to complete this by using these words, and the words are mechanical, rhizobium, aquatic, toxic, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, pseudomonas, amoeba, bacteria, hydrocarbon. So you have to complete this paragraph by using these words. After that there is the last question, that is question number 4. So let's check out question number 4. So friends, this one is question number 4, and the question is solve the following questions any one, and you are going to get 5 marks. There are total 2 questions, you have to attempt any one. And the first one is attempts at various levels are performed for conserving environment. Which role would you like to perform? Give 2 actions each. And the first one is prevention, second control, C production, D awareness, and E conservation. And finally the second question has 5 sub questions, in which the first sub question is what is biotechnology? Give 1 use of biotechnology. Third one is give 1 commercial use of biotechnology. Fourth one is write 2 bacterial examples of biofertilizers, and the last one is write 2 names of crops genetically developed. So friends, these are the questions which were asked in March 2020 from Science 2. So I hope this video is going to help you. And last but not the least, I want to say that if you want to score good marks in science, remember that you don't have to mug up and don't do rectification. It is not going to work at all. What you have to do, you have to learn the concept, you have to you have to remember the concepts, you have to think about that concepts, and don't do rectification. It is not going to work at all. Remember the concept that you are going to learn in academic year. No need to do rectification because it is not going to work at all. So friends, this is from me, and definitely in the next video we are going to tell you another question paper. Till then, revise this question paper, and if you have any doubt, please comment on it. Please hit the like button and please share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.